Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify your student status using SheerID. Remember, you do not create a separate SheerID account. Instead, you are verifying your student status through the brand you choose. Let's take YouTube as an example. First, open the YouTube website or the YouTube app on your phone or computer. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Next, look at the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines menu. From the menu, scroll down slowly until you find YouTube Premium. Click on it. Now scroll again until you see the student plan option and select it. This will start the student verification process. After selecting the student plan, you will be redirected to the SheerID verification page. This is where you confirm that you are a student. On this page, you will need to fill in your details carefully. First, select your country from the drop-down list. Then enter your university or college name exactly as it is officially written. After that, type your first name and last name. Make sure they match your school records. Next, enter your date of birth by selecting the month, day, and year. Then you will be asked for your email address. Use the same Google account email that you are using for YouTube. This is very important because your student membership will be linked to it. Once everything is filled in, double-check all your information to make sure there are no mistakes. After that, click on the button that says Verify My Student Status. SheerID will now check your information. In some cases, you may be asked to upload additional proof like a student ID or enrollment letter. Once approved, you will get access to the student discount. Thanks for watching.